everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy peasy lemon squeezy mint mojito / mint sereno, basically a mint iced coffee. So this recipe is so good and it's inspired by Philz Coffee mint mojito and the 7 leaves mint sereno. So here's what you'll need: coffee, ice, milk, sugar / honey, and mint leaves. So we're going to start off with gathering your sweetener. So I usually use honey, but if you want to imitate the flavors of these popular drinks, sugar is the best way to go. So I'm just adding in 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, but you can always add more later if you'd like. Now take out a bushel of fresh mint. I got this at the Vietnamese grocery store, but I'm sure if you check out any other grocery store, they should have some variation of mint. And so just gently pick out about 10 whole leaves. And you want to make sure that they're whole leaves so that you don't get any of those bits and pieces into your drink. Good job! Alright, so now this is the most important part. You're going to take a blunted wooden spoon and just sort of press the juices of the mint out. So the reason why you want to use like something more wooden versus something metal is because you don't want to break up the leaves at all. You just want to press the juices out of them. And so I'm adding a little bit more sugar so that we form a syrup consistency. After about 45 seconds, add your milk of choice. I usually go for oat, but dairy is what's used usually, I think, in these cafes like Philz and 7 Leaves. So now just stir everything together. And now we're on to part 2. So now you're going to pour your coffee into some sort of shaking device, like a blender bottle or a mason jar or a cup with a covered top. This is how you're going to achieve that foamy effect. So add some ice into the shaking device. I did this off camera, but just make sure that it's secure and shake away. And now you can pour, and you'll see that there will be a foamy layer right on top of the drink, and it's just so beautiful and what I really love about the Philz mint mojito. But if you want a gradient effect, add the ice on top of the milk and then pour in the coffee. Now just top it off with some sprigs of mint and voila! You have a Philz mint mojito or a 7 leaves mint sereno, and it's such a fresh and lovely drink that can power you through your day. If you would like to learn how to make more cafe inspired drinks, go ahead and check out my channel. I have a few awesome drink videos there, but other than that, thank you for stopping by Cafe B, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!